Good evening, Indira Shah here. Today I'm coming up with a very, I can say, sour, sweet and chatpata item. It's called as a spicy tomato. Okay, spicy tomato. This comes under chaat item, like how you segregate, bel puri, masal puri, then pani puri. This is one of such thing. But basically it is from using a tomato, okay, chatpata tomato I can say. So what you need is here murmure or kadle puri or puffed rice. See, it should be crispy. See, it should be crispy like this, fresh and crispy. Then you need sweet chutney. Okay, this chutney, what you do is take equal quantity of fresh dates. Okay, sorry, not fresh date. The dates, you can take date, 1 cup of date and 1 cup of jaggery and 3/4 cup of tamarind. Okay, the date should be de-seeded. Now wash tamarind and date, and together you, along with the tamarind, you can add water and steam cook it. Not steam cook, sorry, pressure cook it for 3 whistles, and then grind it, and then you have to strain it because there will be lots of impurities. So straining is very important. Once you get a pulp like this, you add salt and red chilli powder. So this is sweet chutney. And then this is khara chutney. Khara chutney is the chilli chutney. I have added green chilli, salt, and for about 15 green chillis I took a spoon from this. Jeera I have taken and a little salt. I have just grounded them to a paste. And then you need coriander. Then you need one nice firm, it should be firm tomato. Okay, and then you need save and a mixture. Okay, this is what you need. Now what we shall do is, now take the tomato, you have to cut them into thin slice. Here, see, the tomato should be ripe, but then it should not be overripe. See, overripe, when you cut it, it becomes soggy. So this chatpata tomato should not have soggy tomatoes. Now after cutting, now arrange them in the plate like this. Trust me, this will be very good either for dinner or for as a snack. Okay. Now what you do is take this chili chutney. Okay. Then apply them on the tomato. Those who like little pungent, they can always use more khara chutney. Now take the sweet chutney. Now take this mamra or kadle puri, and lavishly you can put it on these tomatoes. Cover them with this. Okay. Once it is covered, now you can add this. This is optional. The thick save is optional. If you like it, you can. Otherwise, you need not. The thin save is also optional. But trust me, this will enhance the taste. And then this is washed and finely cut coriander leaves. So this is it. Trust me, this will be very tasty. You can just take it, lift it like this, and then eat as a whole. This will be very tasty. Please try this chatpata tomato. yummy. Anytime you can make it, because almost all the ingredients you will have it at home except the chutneys. I usually make a kilo of this chutney. I told you 1 cup of dates and 1 cup or 3/4 cup of jaggery and 3/4 cup of tamarind. Okay, cook everything together, remove the seed, it should be de-seeded, and then grind it to a fine paste, then sieve it, and then add salt and red chili powder. That's it. Okay, so please try making this chatpata tomato and give back your sincere feedback. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you please, I'll request you to share my channel with your friends and relatives. Please request them to subscribe. I'm coming up with many more exciting videos connected to cooking, gardening, health tips and beauty tips. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Indira with Vela.